Welcome again, and in this video we're going to go over how to use the ProS VMS software to view your cameras live. I'm going to go ahead and click the Start menu, and we're going to start the software from here, ProS VMS. Now, if you have a cloud device, your device is going to come up down here on a list. If you have it set up differently, you'll have it up here under encoding device. This shows the devices online and my IP address, and so this is under device management. Now if we go to control panel and we click on live view, we should see our cameras come up for us. If they don't, you want to click on here, double click, and it'll come up with all of your cameras at once. And the number here, 15 out of 15, means that all 15 cameras are up and running and looking healthy. So from here, we can double click on a view and it will show us a live view. You can double click again and go back to all of the views. And if you see the screen go gray there for just a second, that's okay, because it's just reconnecting to the camera and refreshing the view. I can go here and view what we got going on in our warehouse. Now you can also right click on a camera and you have main view, which is going to be your highest resolution view. You can click on the sub view and go back to the camera and you'll get a little lower resolution view, but it'll give you better bandwidth consumption, and it will be a little smoother. You can also go to a third view, which is even lower resolution, and so on. This is to help mostly with viewing the cameras from the standpoint of having 15 cameras up. You could be using a lot of bandwidth, and you can control that by right-clicking on each camera, and that's about it. So down here, you can click here and it'll show you how many views you're looking at. So if I go to 4, I'm looking at 4 cameras at once, and then I can actually assign the views. So if on the first one I actually want to view the last camera, I can drag that camera and drop it, and now I have the camera 16 is here. And if I want camera 15 here, I can do that, dragging and dropping each one. Maybe I want camera 2 down here, and so on. So double click on the whole site to bring up all the cameras again. And maybe we want to do something different. Let's do an 8 camera view. We can have a nice large view here with it surrounded by some smaller views. And the same thing is applicable. Maybe I want camera 16, I drag it and drop it, and I can have camera 16 as my main view. So double click here again to go back and view all the cameras. And I can save this view, save it as 101 maybe, click OK, and then I'll have that view for later. If I want to configure this in a complex way, then I can bring up that view again. Over here, you click Views, and it says Custom View and Play, or just double click it, I believe. And it'll come up with that view. How about we give a better example here? So I'll go to a single camera view, camera 2, and we'll click on Views again and Play, and it'll go back to my original view here. And I can do this with a few of them. Let's try this 10 camera view. That's kind of cool. I like that one. And I really want camera 16. I like that camera up here and camera 15 here. Okay, that'll be a good view. Now I go ahead and right click, or let's see here. Oh, here we go. Save view again. And we'll save this one as 202. And now we can go to views and we can switch between our favorite views. We can also use this icon to close all of it out. So if I want the software ready to go, I can close all these out and I'm not using the bandwidth associated with um, all of the cameras. But then when I want to see them, right, click on the play button on your views and right away I can access all the cameras, close them out if I need more bandwidth to do something else on my computer, and that's how that works. So I'm watching this view here and I can take a snapshot and a message comes up here that says that the snapshot succeeded. I can click on a little link here to open the folder and it'll open the folder where the picture was taken, and I can take a picture of that camera. And that's about the gist of live view there. At any time you can view all of your cameras by double clicking on the site. You can double click to get a single view and change views by dragging and dropping the camera. And let's see here, in the next video we will do downloading video recordings. Thank you.